Good morning. It's Wednesday, and we are still in our unit with money. Since it's Wednesday, we're going to start off first with our Wednesday workout. All right. And today's Wednesday workout is do push-ups while you count by fives. Here's the tricky part though. We're not starting at 5, we're starting at 15 and we're stopping at 30. So I need everybody to stand up. There you go, everybody up. Now drop to the floor and get ready. 1, 2, 3. 15, 20, 25, 30. Up, 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 not so fast. Let's try counting backwards from 30 to 15 by fives. Ready? 30, 25, 20, 15. Great job. You can go ahead and get up. And while Mrs. Moran changes this out, you guys are going to go ahead and get your quiz paper. I believe today is Wednesday, so you want to have the B side ready. So the B side should be ready. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that everybody has their plus signs highlighted in yellow. Mrs. Moran is setting the timer for 1 minute. I have a couple of friends whose families are going to set that timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So Mrs. Moran is getting hers. Everybody should have their pencil in their writing hand and their writing elbow on the table. And here we go. Ready, set, begin. The majority of my friends are putting their pencil down and passing it over to mom or dad. My other friends are continuing on. And stop. All right. So at this point, we have all of our friends have finished with that, and we're going to move on to today's math lesson, okay? Now, so far in our study of math, we have talked about 4 coins. We've talked about pennies. We've talked about nickels. We've talked about dimes. And we have talked about quarters. Okay, we've only talked a little bit about quarters that first day when we sorted our coins according to attributes, okay? And we know that this is a penny, only copper coin that we know. This is a nickel, this is a dime, this is a quarter. Okay. Now this is a penny. Can you tell me what a penny is worth? That's right, boys and girls, a penny is worth 1 cent. And this is a nickel. Can anyone tell me the worth of a nickel, the value of a nickel? Right again, a nickel is worth 5 cents. When I count pennies, I count them as 1. When I count nickels, I count as 5. Right? We also have dimes. And dimes are worth how much? Very good. Dimes are worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count by tens. And then our last coin is a quarter. And a quarter has the picture of George Washington on the front. And then on the back, it has the American eagle with those olive branches underneath. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. And when we count quarters, we count by 25. Now, before we get into the quarter, which is what we're going to work with today, how can I tell the difference between a penny and a dime? How can I tell the difference between a penny and a dime? Okay, you're right. One way is the penny is copper and the dime is silver. And another way is in size, not in value. In size, the penny appears to be larger than the dime. Okay, another way they're different is the value of a penny is 1 cent. The value of a dime is 10 cents. On the front of my penny, I have Abraham Lincoln. On the front of my dime, I have President Roosevelt. Now, how can I tell a nickel from a quarter? Let's move our penny and our dime out of the way so we can look at them a little bit. How can I tell the difference? Because these are both silver. Well, that's right, okay. The nickel is smaller in both size and value than the quarter. And another way I can tell the difference is the nickel has the head of President Jefferson on it, while the quarter has the head of our first president, George Washington, on it. Now remember, I told you the value of a quarter is 25 cents. And sometimes it's difficult to think, oh my goodness, how am I going to learn how to count by 25s? And what I've done with classes in the past is to do a little song, kind of like the Macarena. So it goes like this: 25, 50, 75, a dollar, 25, 50, 75, a dollar, 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Would you try that with me? Everybody up. Give you a couple minutes, a couple of seconds to stand up. And here we go. I know it's silly, but if I can be silly, so can you. Here we go. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Here we go again. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Here we go again. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Last time. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Excellent. Go ahead and have a seat. Okay, and so let me gather some quarters. Okay. And see if right now we can use our song to help us. 1/4 would be 25. Okay. If I have 2/4, think of our song. 25. That's right, 50. So 2/4 equal 50 cents. Move this quarter a bit. All right. Here's my 3/4. 25, 50. That's right, 75. So 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. 3/4 are 75. And I'm going to put my last one down. Here we go. 4/4. How much are 4/4 worth? All right, let's try. 25, 50, 75, $1. So 4/4 equals $1. I have 3/4 now. How much money do I have? That's right, I have 75 cents. 3/4 equals 75 cents. And if I put that 4/4 down again, how much money do I have? 25, 50, 75, $1. Excellent. What if I only have 1/4? That's right, 1/4 is worth 25 cents. So 1/4 gives me 25 cents. And here we go. I have 2/4. 2/4. If you are stuck, remember the song. 25. That's right, 50. 2/4 equals 50 cents. All right, let's try 4/4 now. And 4/4 equals, and if I'm stuck, I think about the song. 25, 50, 75. 4/4 equals $1. And if I take 2 of those quarters away, 25. That's right, 2/4 equals 50 cents. And again, we have 3/4. 25, 50, 75. When I have 3/4, I have 75 cents. And if I add one more quarter to it, I have 4/4. How much money do I have? 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, so there you go. Right? Now, boys and girls, you are going to do a couple of things when you are finished with this. The first thing you're going to do is to, and we've done this before with all of our coins, you're going to spot the quarters. And they give you a little hint up here at the top. The head of the quarter has our President George Washington, and the back of the quarter has the American eagle with those olive branches underneath. And please remember that quarters are silver. They are not pink, they are not purple, they are not green, they are silver. So my expectation is that they are colored that way. And then the second page that you see, okay, is where you are going to count quarters. And I want you to remember, because I keep seeing some people just writing the value of the coin. Right here, I would write 25, and let's see. Right here, I would write 25, and over here, I would write 25 cents, okay? Because there are 2 quarters and I'm counting on, that's 25 cents. Now I have 50 cents. So 25, 50 all together, I have 50 cents, okay? And you would do that for 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and then down at the bottom, you need to color the quarters again, all right? So again, remember, that on the front of our quarter is our first president, George Washington. On the back of the quarter, you're going to find one of the American symbols, the American eagle, with the olive branches underneath. The value of a quarter is 25 cents. And when I count quarters, I count on by 25. And if you get stuck, remember our song. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. We're counting quarters. Okay, until I see you next time, enjoy your day.